And so we started off in Salem, Oregon, because the men had sheep. They had nothing to do with it. And so they got my great-grandfather, who was an experienced wool manufacturer, not an educated man. He couldn't read or write, and for many years I thought, well, if he couldn't read or write, how could he have been so smart? Until I look at the mill and I see the things that he did. He was born in a little town in Shipley, in Midlands, in the mill in England. He never had an opportunity to go to school, and he entered the mill when he was 11 years old as a bobbin boy, and one of hundreds, and to have been able to advance himself from that very lowly station in life to becoming perhaps Salem's most prominent citizen, certainly his greatest early industrialist, is quite a little story, and how he managed to get from England to here, to have the confidence of the community to be able to start the mill with the backing of the well-to-do people in town, who in fact asked him to come to set up this mill, to be able to have organized the whole thing and put it together, to have built a good amount of the equipment that was necessary to manufacture woolens, and to have brought the rest of it around from New England, where it was manufactured, carried across the Panama Canal a long time before the canal was built, bring it up the west coast by ship and up the Columbia River, unloading it at Oregon City and loading it up again on another, going around the falls and carrying it beyond that point from Salem up here, and to have set it up, to have taken the 12-foot drop of water and converted that from a single drive shaft with a series of pulleys and belts, larger and smaller, to take that single shaft and slow down or speed up the various operations, to have run the whole mill off that water power, to have given it the electric lights, to have given it the water itself, would have certainly imply the fact that he was a very capable guy, if not a manufacturing genius. And to have been able to elevate himself from those very humble beginnings to being Salem, Oregon's most prominent citizen is quite a story, quite a job.